Well, good day, folks. This is just the last prime of that hood, thank God. And then once it's dry, I'm not going to touch it for 2-3 days. Let the primer dry up and shrink and do whatever it's got to do. And then I'll hit it. Today's Monday, so maybe I'll lightly sand it Friday or something like that. But here, instead of me flapping my lips, I'll show you what I've done. Okay, so it's in final prime. The inserts, well, can't see jack. The inserts are already sanded. Hope I can see it because I got the sun behind me and I don't see nothing in the viewfinder. But yeah, it's green. There's 3 coats on it. Damn, you know. I did everything, got the gun ready and everything like that, and changed the settings, you know, and everything like that to what they're supposed to be. And I guess when I used it to shoot red, I never thoroughly cleaned it. The first coat went on, but not that well. Then I just poured the fluid from that into another gun, an Old Faithful gun that I had off Brian, my next door neighbor. And yeah, it worked like a hot damn. So yeah, always keep your guns clean. So yeah, no, nothing big. Like I said, this is the last time I'm priming it. I've had enough sanding, you know. Yep, done with the sanding. So yeah, so that's my big update. So yeah, looks cool. I can't see jack, I got the bloody sun behind me. But yeah. Yeah, it's gonna look cool. A couple of weeks ago I was gonna put it on with just all spot primered. But now, after Friday, maybe for next weekend, I'll get a couple of friends over and we'll just stick it on for the hell of it. Okay, everybody? Well, like I said, no big deal. Just a hood. Well, yeah, a hood. I don't think there's one like it out there. I mean, like I said, it's not perfect, but hey, first time. Okay, everybody, take care, peace out, build on, and like I always tell your family I love them. Okay, talk to you later. Bye.